Hey guys, so I was supposed to be looking on how you can reset the Frigidaire freezer. There are like multiple things there. I was like looking everywhere. So one of it, you can completely unplug it. So unplug the freezer from the outlet, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute to ensure that any residual power dissipates, and plug the freezer back into electrical outlet. So this is the one thing that you can try to do. Then also someone wrote here, has a million different methods. Another one I know is holding the cube and light buttons at the same time for about 5 seconds. Maybe that is going to work out. I don't know. I'm just like looking for the solution. So these are the two things that I found. And there is this also site, the Home Alliance, like is there a reason but on a Frigidaire freezer? And they listed like, if you're gonna just write it to Google, you're gonna find it. And there are listed like multiple things that you can try to do to possibly fix the issue for you. And that's it. I want to just like read it for you. Just open it on the side and then just try these things that you're going to do. But power cycle, completely plug it out, plug it back in, and then like holding the cube and light buttons could also work.